To attract wealth into your home according to Vastu Shastra, pay attention to a few key areas. First, keep the main entrance clean and unobstructed for positive energy to flow in. The kitchen should be in the southeast and the stove placed in a way that the cook faces east. The prayer room should be in the northeast, kept clean and clutter-free. The northeast corner of the house is crucial for wealth, so keep it light and open. In the bedroom, position the bed towards the east or south. Mirrors. Place mirrors in the dining room to reflect the dining table. This symbolizes doubling your food and wealth. Water elements. A small fountain or water feature in the northeast part of the house represents the flow of wealth. Colors. Use colors like green and purple in your decor as they are associated with prosperity. A money plant in the house is also considered auspicious. Lighting. Keep the entrance and corners of your home well lit. Dark corners can trap stagnant energy, which might affect wealth. By incorporating these tips, you can create a home environment that attracts wealth and prosperity.